Hi guys, Postbag time. Been waiting for this one for a while. That's it, that's all that's in there. Yeah, right. Is that open? Yes. So, the lens, let's just cover that for now. A lens, my action camera, the one that I scratched the surface of the lens on. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do this. I'm using the camera upside down. So, we've got two cameras in here. One's the one that we might be able to repair, and the other one's the one that I've destroyed. Right, that's the lens that I'd scratched. Got to try and remember to keep this in shot so you can see what I'm doing. I think this is the one that works, although that looks like one of the wires is broken off. That's just the speaker wire, but I'll have to solder that back on. Right, need to unscrew that, put that on there, and see if we can get it to work. And then try and remember, yeah, that's part of the bodywork. That clips in there. Got some screws in there. Some buttons. Yeah, it's been quite a while since I last looked at this, so it'll take me a while to remember where everything goes. And we need a very small screwdriver. Right, I reckon we got the possibility of a working camera again if I can figure out how to put all the bits back together. Go in. Right, this will be upside down for you. Well, it may or may not. I may turn it round in editing. Let's do the Date and time. Video resolution 1080p 30 frames per second. Yeah, okay with that. Timestamp. Date and time. Yeah, happy with that for now. Date and time. 2016, eh? Okay, so 21, 01, 4th, time is 15, 28 according to me, although I would check on my phone, but I'm filming with my phone. Year, month, day, yeah, that'll do. Sound indicator upside down, screensaver, power off, format. Oh, well, format. Or will we? I don't know what's on that memory card that I just put in there. Yeah, format it. If we've lost it, we've lost it. Okay, so we are ready. Turn it on again, and we'll do some filming. We're now filming with the Evo DX, with the new lens. Well, I've only guessed the focus. It looks all right to me at the moment. So that'll do. So 56 seconds of recording. Turn it off. We'll go and download that and see if it works. Or see what the focus is like anyway. Hopefully, job done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.